Brandywine Heights is located in Topton, Pennsylvania. The closest large manufacturer to us is East Penn. Many of our parents work there. What exactly do they do at East Penn? Let's investigate.
Okay, we manufacture batteries that are used for a great deal of things, from transportation to storing materials such as information on credit cards, telephones, satellites, things like that. We're a backup power source as well as a regular power source for vehicles, buses, trains, cars, motorcycles, tractors, everything.
Batteries? That probably uses a ton of resources. Isn't that terrible for the environment?
Nowadays, recycling is a big thing, a big push. Lead acid batteries, the advantage that they've always had has been that you can recycle about 95% of them, everything except the rubber separator that is inside of the battery. So all of that can be reused, turned right back into a battery. It's a very efficient process, a very, very environmentally conscious process in making sure that we're recovering those materials and using them again.
Isn't technology always improving? How does this affect the battery making process?
We're on the cutting edge of technology, and we're always trying to make something better, make a process better, safer, make it last a lot longer, make it more durable. As climate changes and everything else occur, we have to be on top of it and make sure that we make a product that people can buy and have for many years.
Wow, batteries are really recyclable. With all that recycled material, how many batteries can you make in a day?
Roughly, we produce about 150,000 batteries per day.
I want to thank East Penn for hosting us and teaching us all about the sustainability of batteries.